Hey friends, welcome back to Virajo Learning Hub. Today we are driving into the world of virtualization, where two game-changing technology coexist, that is desktop virtualization and network virtualization. Imagine your desktop on the move. Desktop virtualization transforms the way we work by centralizing your desktop environment. There are three or four things which you need to understand about desktop virtualization. That the first thing is centralized productivity. With desktop virtualization, your entire desktop is accessible from any device, enabling a seamless centralized productivity experience. Enhanced security. Security is top priority. Sensitive data is stored on the secure server, reduce the risk of data loss and theft on individual devices. Then flexibility across devices. Flexibility is key of desktop virtualization. Access your desktop environment from multiple devices and adaptability in the modern workplace. So any device, either a laptop or pad or mobile, you can access your desktop. Then on the other side, network virtualization. Now let's shift the gear to a virtualization. It's not about the device, it's about transforming the very infrastructure supporting our digital connections. The first thing where it comes agile network infrastructure. Network virtualization transforms rigid network infrastructure into agile, programmable environments, optimize network resources. Second, efficient resource utilization. Efficiency is paramount. Network virtualization ensure optimal resource utilization, reducing downtime and enhancing overall network performance. Simplified network management is the third key. Simplify complexity. Network virtualization streamline network management, offering a centralized dashboard for configuration and monitoring. While desktop virtualization transform how we interact with computers, in the other side, network virtualization reshape the infrastructure supporting our digital connections. Together, desktop virtualization and network virtualization in a new era of efficiency, flexibility, and security in our digital landscape. Ready to explore these virtual frontiers? Dive deeper into possibilities and call us at sales at or mail us at sales at viraju.in or surf viraju.in. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and stick around for more tech adventures.